after shutting it down for a while and then you are about to on it back, then it refused to turn on. So yesterday when I closed from work, I happened to shut this laptop down, and then this morning when I came to work, I want to power on the laptop, but it's unable to power. And in this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick that you can use to power on this laptop without stressing yourself or without taking it to a technician. So as you can see, we have the charger here. We plug in the charger. So most times when you plug in the charger, it's supposed to show some lights here to indicate that the laptop is charging. But we have input the charger and still there is no indication here, meaning that the laptop is not charging. And we try to power on, the laptop is not able to power on. Now follow me and I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you disconnect the charger from the laptop. Then you need to use laptop screwdrivers to make sure that you remove the screws from every corner of the laptop, which I have already done so. So you make sure you do this carefully so that you don't cause any extra damage to the laptop. Then you carefully lift the back. So pause. All right guys, so let's jump into it without wasting much time. Here we have the motherboard for this Lenovo laptop. So once you are here, the first thing that you need to do is to disconnect the battery, and this is the internal battery. Then you disconnect the battery and make sure that the external battery is also disconnected. Okay, make sure that the external battery is also disconnected. Then if you are sure you've disconnected the battery, the internal and the external battery, then we move to the next step. And then over here we have a very small lithium battery over here. So what you are going to do is you're going to have to disconnect this little battery from here. And once it is disconnected, then we are going to look for a very tiny button which is located just at the top of the internal battery terminal, which is located over here. I believe we can all see this little button here. Then you just press the button once. You can actually press it just twice. And then we connect back this little battery over here first. So as soon as you connect the small battery, then now you can connect the internal battery connector, and it is well connected. Now we are going to plug in the charger. Remember, once you are done with this, then you need to plug in the charger. So right now we are going to plug in the charger and see if this trick actually works or not. And I guarantee you, I have tried this several times and it works for me, and I believe that this is going to help you. So we have the charger here, and you can see that the charger is connected to a socket over here, right here. Now let's connect the charger and look. So you can see that the light is showing, the indicator light is showing, meaning that this laptop has started charging. And you can see that this has actually solved our problem. The laptop is on. and it is perfectly working. So in case you encounter this kind of issue on any of your Lenovo laptop, then just make sure you follow this trick step by step, and this will help you solve your problem. In so many times this happened, the first time this happened to me, I thought my laptop was damaged. I thought I would never ever be able to regain my data and my files on the laptop. But I tried this trick and it worked for me, and I'm sharing it with you today. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you. Click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and we'll give you more updates like this one. Peace, stay safe.